Hi everyone,
Welcome to our channel.
and welcome to our room tour. We knew as soon as the wedding content was over, we wanted to share with you guys the room tour, and also the house tour is coming very soon because there are so many vlogs that we've already shot in the house. It did not feel right to show all of those vlogs without showing you guys the grand reveal.
So I think our room is a very beautiful combination of the both of us. It has
Yeah.
some elements that are true to Mridul, true to me, and I think we've managed to perfectly balance it as much as we could. And
At least we think so.
Yeah.
You guys let us know in the comments down below. I think हम दोनों के aesthetics का काफी अच्छा
match
मिशमैश है.
I like the room. मतलब काफी cute हुआ है ऐसा मुझे तो लग रहा है.
मुझे भी I love the way it has turned out. It feels very cozy. It is a very like small Mumbai bedroom, but I personally love it. Personally मुझे छोटी spaces ज़्यादा पसंद है because it makes me feel very like safe and cozy, and I have the best night of sleep. Best sleep of my life. No. Anyway, I think you guys have been around with us right from designing this room. I think our main agenda was Aditya really wanted the room to be very modern.
Yes, very modern and not overpowering. थोड़ा calm tones रख के like a very simple, nice, chill kind of room.
Correct. So I think we've been able to do just that. You guys let us know in the comments. Let's get started with our room tour. Welcome to our room. I think let's start with here only. मुझे बहुत weird लग रहा है because मैंने कभी भी room tour किसी के साथ नहीं किया है. So please take the lead. Do you wanna explain this little section right here?
So this is basically a TV unit kind of situation that we have here. Main इसमें criteria था कि TV के साथ PlayStation के लिए भी जगह होना चाहिए, which is why we made this one box. But फिर सिर्फ एक अलग लग रहा था तो हमने एक और नीचे डाल दिया.
To balance it out.
To balance it out. And there is a storage space यहाँ पे जो काफी अच्छे से hidden है.
It's not neat at all. I just want to give a disclaimer. Every cupboard that we open is not organized whatsoever. हमने सिर्फ बाहर से सुंदर बनाया है. हमने कुछ भी अंदर से organize नहीं किया है. But yeah, there's a lot of storage right here which we will use eventually, and we have a little nook as well right here. So ये tree actually मैं एक shoot के लिए लेके आई थी like 2 months ago, and ये तब से यहीं रह गया. ये मेरी mom का झाड़ है, and it's just become a part of our room.
और उसका ध्यान मैं रख रहा हूँ.
And I also feel like this corner is a perfect mix of you and me because plant is very me, and then we have these cute little Pokemon ही है ना? Pokemon figurines, which I was not a fan of at all, but I had
I found them in the bathroom. फिर मैं बोला नहीं ये यहाँ पे ही आएंगे shoot
मैंने
के लिए.
बाथरूम में रख दिए थे because it looked cute in the bathroom, but Aditya did not like it कि बाथरूम में था. I was like fine. So yeah, start होते ही एक perfect mixture है हम दोनों का. Then we have the TV, which I will agree that is the one of the best parts of the room. I didn't actually want a TV pehle, but Aditya insisted, and we love watching Modern Family every single day. So it feels very cozy, very nice. And then नीचे क्या है यहाँ पे?
Comic books. मेरी जो बहुत सारी comic books थे उसमें से half की भी half है ये, बाकी सब we had to give out in रद्दी क्योंकि इतने कहाँ पे रखते हैं, but ये best of the best जो मैंने रखे हुए हैं.
Correct. So another really cool thing about this little section right here is, do you want to show them? It looks like a paneling situation, but there's a hidden door which we'll get to in just a while.
So right opposite the TV and the PS area, we have my wardrobe right here, जो खोलेंगे नहीं क्योंकि बहुत messy है अंदर से. But basically हमने ये color tone लिया, which is very mridul vibe, and then उसमें बीच में ये jute का एक kind of a wallpaper you can say, but laminate wallpaper mix kind of चीज़ है जो हमने लगा दिया to complete it with these golden profile.
Oh my god, the details. So basically the idea was to have a bed and then sandwich it with 2 cupboards on either sides. I do know a lot of people say that it looks very cluttered, but I personally really like it. Again, it makes me feel like very safe and very like protected for some reason, like to have 2 cupboards on either side. So we have one cupboard which is Aditya's, and then the other one on that side is mine. Okay, so moving on to our bed.
बस बेड है, उसमें और क्या बोलना है. बेड है, है, चद्दर डाली उस पे, बेड है।
नहीं, हमारा मैट्रेस इस पे हम ड्यूरोफ्लेक्स विच इज सो गुड, रियली रियली कंफर्टेबल। ये हमारे पूरे घर में सबके मैट्रेसेस यही है। इनफैक्ट मेरे मॉम डैड के रूम में भी यही है। दे रियली रियली लाइक द मैट्रेस। इट्स सो 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 नाइस, वेरी कंफर्टेबल। लेट्स टॉक अबाउट दिस राइट हियर, दिस ब्यूटिफुल शेल्फ सिचुएशन जिसके बैक पे हमने वॉलपेपर्स लगाया। हमारे सारे वॉलपेपर्स आर फ्रॉम स्टूडियो 504। दे हैव सम रियली गुड वॉलपेपर ऑप्शंस एंड इफ यू फाइंड समथिंग ऑनलाइन लाइक ऑन Pinterest, you can always share that picture with them and they'll custom make it.
Exactly.
And they do a really really good job. So this is what our little shelf area looks like. I think it looks very very pretty.
It has some pretty cool items as well.
Do you want to explain? Do you want to start from the top?
अच्छा ऐसा है क्या? अच्छा ठीक है। So ऊपर we have the Iron Man mask that Mridul got for me from Disneyland Paris, which is a very special gift for me. उसके बाजू में out of my too many trophies मैंने सिर्फ 2 रखे हैं, which are basically the student of the year trophies that I got. तो वो 2 रखे हैं और उसके बाजू में YouTube India ने हमें जो स्पीकर गिफ्ट किया था वो रखा है। उसके नीचे we have the legendary Kitli which you guys must have seen in the Mehendi vlog. If not, go check it out right now.
No, but you guys don't know the story behind it. So basically, ये केटली का एक छोटू सा story. I'm just going to quickly explain. This केटली was a part of तीर्थ, नानी के बहन की शादी का पार्ट था ये। Cocktail. तो तब से हमने सोचा था कि ये केटली सबके।
And basically it was a very legendary cocktail. बोलो बहुत मजा आया था।
Yeah.
तो तब से हमने वो केटली लेके रखा है, which we are
and it's gonna be passed on to everyone's wedding.
इसका कॉकटेल होते जाएगा and then ultimately तीर्थ जिसका जो सबसे छोटा है हम लोग में, उसके शादी में we'll go back to him.
And that's how it'll travel. The Kitli is gonna travel amongst all of us. Anyway, continuing. Then we have some storage boxes जिसमें सारी चीजें that we actually need are stored and tucked away. Then we have some books. Now, both of us do like to read quite a bit, so this is a collection. हम दोनों का मिला के collection है ये।
पूरा इतना aesthetically color coded मैंने सजाया है, पता है? सब मेरा idea है ये।
Guts. Everyone knows arranging books in a rainbow pattern has been something I've been doing for years. So I just thought that why not do it here. He agreed to the idea. He liked the idea of the pop of colors, and I think it looks great. Yeah. So that's what we've done right here. And oh, actually, I almost forgot. So on either sides of our beds, there's a little nook जो cupboard में से cut कर लिया गया है for our side tables. And the best part is that side tables के अंदर
If you were wondering अभी तक कि switchboard कहाँ पे कुछ दिख नहीं रहा है, because इसके अंदर switchboard
छुपा गया है. I don't like switchboards. I think it's a known fact. So we had to hide all switchboards possible. So इसके अंदर सारे switchboards है, plug points है, everything's right here. Do you want to tell them what's on your side table?
अभी के लिए तो कुछ भी नहीं, just fan का remote, Dyson का remote, TV का remote and iPad.
Basically all electronics are on Aditya's side. On my side we have quite a few things. So we have मेरे पानी का bottle, of course. Then we have a Snickers bar. And then we have the book that I'm reading, and then a few other books. We have the gratitude journal, which I use in the morning. Then we have my journal wherein I write my ideas, YouTube stuff like that. And then we have the 5-year journal. So ये सब चीजें, yeah, link in the description also. But yeah, this is everything that I keep on my side table, in my side table, I guess.
Yeah, this one is not on, this is in my side table.
So that was a little bed area. Moving on to my wardrobe right here, which in case
will open, na?
Yeah, sure, I don't mind. It's very messy, I'm warning you guys. I have been living out of a suitcase still. It's just saman stuffed randomly. I haven't had the time to organize, I'm gonna be honest. I hope to get to that hopefully tomorrow. Let's see. Oh, there's an area right in front of us, so let's go there. So ये वाला एक corner हमने actually initially सोचा था कि हम यहाँ पे एक chair रखेंगे, but I'm so glad we ditched that idea altogether.
Yes, वो बहुत जगह लेता था वो chair and नहीं चाहिए था हमें, मतलब it was not needed. हम लोग उसके बिना भी अच्छा ही चल रहे.
Correct, and I like that there is a little bit of an open space because otherwise our room is very like, you know, cluttered. But yeah, there's again the same wallpaper that we've put right here, and then we have this mirror which has been with us for 5 years, I think at this point. COVID के भी पहले हमने लिया था in our first studio ever, and we just got it here along with us. We've attached some of the little Polaroids that we had at our wedding. And do you want to explain this?
Yeah, we also have this Happy Birthday Maddie Ke Aho sticker, which basically our friends got for me on my birthday. They wrote this on my birthday cake.
And he saved it. This is a little memory mirror, I guess. Uske alawa, We have the air purifier,
The
which
most amazing thing.
which the girls gifted us, the Mama gang gifted us. We've been using it every single day.
Love it.
Love it, love it, truly love it. Then यहाँ पे हमने एक little nook बना दिया है, just for time pass. Honestly, इसका कुछ purpose नहीं है. It's just for aesthetics. Lamp है जो हम लोग actually use करते हैं रोज रात को, and then just some pretty things.
Coffee table books, no? Okay, let's go to the bathroom together.
Okay, so now for the bathroom, मुझे personally कुछ बहुत fun करना था because मेरा जो mom dad के घर पे bathroom है, it's very white, very basic. So I really wanted to like experiment with this bathroom, but
Still not as fun as your bathroom.
without a door.
Ultra level का fun है, right?
Yeah, but आदित्य को बहुत ही simple bathroom रखना था, calming bathroom रखना था. I was like, okay, fine, why not? I don't mind white marble. I really like white marble. So that's what we've done. We've created a little nook right here, and we've put Archie's के covers, front covers, because Aditya loves Archie's and Tinkle both.
And a lot of you guys pointed out कि हमें पहले तो बुक शेल्फ रखना था, but काफी लोगों ने बोला कि you don't keep books in the washroom.
Yeah.
हमने फिर वो scrap कर दिया था, हमने सिर्फ covers निकाले थे, frame करके लगा दिया.
It's kind of like a reminder for Aditya whenever he's pooping not to use his phone and rather read a Tinkle.
Take a book and then come inside.
Yeah, which is why we've kept all of the Tinkle वहीं पे so that it's like easy access. Anyway, basic pot, commode, all of that. I really like this area right here. Huge mirror, and उसके अंदर there's a lot of storage. मैंने अभी तक set नहीं किया. I just have some of my stuff right here. We need to organize. So this side is mine. This side is Aditya. I think it has a lot of space.
Again, मेरा side खोला नहीं जाएगा.
हाँ, आदित्य का side बहुत messy है, so हम नहीं खोलेंगे उसको. हाँ, मतलब और कुछ है नहीं बाथरूम में बताने के लिए. That's it.
फैंसी ग्लास लगाया हमने, राउंड शेप किया उसको, स्क्वायर नहीं चाहिए था तो हमने उसको ऊपर से टर्न किया.
राउंड किया, हाँ. फ्लूटेड ग्लास है with like a semi circle cut to it. But yeah, that's basically it to our bathroom. One thing, I really like the floors. It's like a wooden flooring bathroom. Don't look at my hair on the floor. But yeah, that's basically it to our bathroom. I think with all of that, we've come towards the end of today's video. Before we end, I do want to know what is your favorite part of the room?
I think it's hard to pick a favorite part because पूरा रूम ही मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगता है.
Yeah.
But if I had to pick, I would say कि invisible door जो आता है washroom का main door का, वो जो पूरा
Yeah.
area आता है floating वाला, वो that is something I really like the most, and my TV and PS shelf.
He hasn't played PS once. May I
I
add?
just connected the wires and kept. I don't even know if it's working, चल रहा है क्या ऊपर नीचे, कुछ नहीं पता.
एक भी बार नहीं खेला है अभी तक. Hopefully soon खेल पाएगा. And also about the door, every time everyone comes to our room, they're like, oh, आपके रूम में washroom नहीं है attached. We're like, wait, we'll show you. And then it's like a bamboozle moment. So yeah, that my personal favorite.
लोग ऐसे बोलते हैं वॉशरूम नहीं है तो हम ऐसे नहीं, मतलब एक है जिसके घर पे वॉशरूम में डोर नहीं और एक जिसमें डोर मिलता ही नहीं है.
That is true.
What is your favorite part of the
So
room?
my favorite part of the room, there are a few actually. I really like the mirror wala wall because it's so like aesthetic. I also love this, but if I had to just like pick one area, I think it would just be my bed and my hidden side table. It's just so cozy. It's definitely, yeah, it's just my favorite place. I don't know why. मुझे बहुत cozy लगता है. सामने TV है इतना पास, and yeah, that's basically my favorite part. There's no reason to it. I just like it a lot. That's not it. Let us show you what our room looks like during the night time.
So guys, we basically automated everything in this house. I'll just show you a small demo. Yeah. So basically we have put all the controls to all the switches in our house on our phones. Everything can be turned on and off via our phones.
So Aditya was very particular about this one thing. He wanted to automate everything in the house. You guys will
all
see
the
that.
lights, fans, ACs, window curtains, everything.
Yeah, so he did that. We've done it through Wozart. I think more details हम next video में share कर सकते हैं house tour में, because उसमें और भी ज़्यादा features आपको दिखेंगे. But essentially we can control everything using our phone, which is pretty awesome. I will agree to that. The curtains, as you guys saw, we can control them using our phone. There are also sensor lights in our bathroom, so every time we enter our bathroom, the light switches on its own.
Yeah, motion sensor lights.
Yeah, and this is basically the vibe of our room at the night time, which is one of my most favorite vibes. Like, it's so yellow, it's so beautiful.
So that's it for this video. House tour is coming very
Oh yeah,
soon.
subscribe to this channel.
Subscribe करके रखो. Follow us on our Instagram. Subscribe to Mridul on her her channel, follow Mridul on her Instagram.
Yeah.
And we'll see you very soon in our
No,
next video.
if you've made it so far to today's video, make sure to leave this emoji in the comments down below. And also like this video if you liked our room. We'll see you in our next video. Bye.